Looking for keto recipes? Well, then stop wasting your time on recipes that may taste good, but more importantly, may actually be legit keto. Instead, click the button below and take less than 2 minutes to answer questions about your ideal foods you love, and let a sophisticated AI design an 8-week program that is guaranteed to make you lose weight and help you crush your weight loss goals. I'm talking foods like tiramisu fat bombs, no-bake keto chocolate chip cookies. I freaking love these cookies. They're fantastic. Bacon salad with awesome keto ranch dressing. Choco peanut butter mug cakes, fantastic. Hoisin butter prawns, they're delicious. Brown sugar and cinnamon breakfast oats. Garlic and herb breadsticks. Strawberry cheesecake fat bombs, and all sorts of other things. This same keto program helped all these people drop massive weight. Click the button below, answer a few questions, and the sophisticated AI chef will spit out an 8-week custom keto program designed to help you crush your weight loss goals.